Tried opening a .exe file on your Mac and got this? That's because .exe files are made for Windows, and Mac OS can't run them natively, but don't worry. In this video, I'll show you 3 super simple ways to run exe files on any Mac, including the latest Mac OS Sequoia and Apple Silicon chips. Let's get started. Download and install Crossover. Open a browser on your Mac. Go to codeweavers.com/crossover. Click Download Free Trial, or purchase full version, and install Crossover. Launch Crossover after installation. Create a bottle, Windows environment. In the Crossover dashboard, click Bottles, New Bottle. Give the bottle a name. Select the Windows version you want to emulate. Usually Windows 10 is a safe choice. Click Create. Install a Windows application. Select Bottle. Click Install from bottom left. It takes you to install a Windows application screen. In the search box, type your application name if known. Or, click Install an unlisted application. Choose Installer File. Browse and select your .exe file from your Mac. Select Target Bottle. Choose the bottle you just created as the installation environment. Click Install. Click Continue. Follow on-screen installation steps. Crossover will guide you as if you were on Windows. Second method, UTM, is a free app that runs full Windows right on your Mac. Go to mac.getutm.app and download UTM. Install it like any Mac app. Open UTM and click Create a new virtual machine. Choose Virtualize, Windows, and then download the official Windows 11 ISO for ARM. Link in the description. Drag the ISO into UTM. Assign around 4 GB RAM and 64 GB storage. Then click Start. Follow the Windows setup. Choose your language, region, and account. Now, to run your exe, just drag the file from your Mac into the UTM window, or download it directly in Windows. Once it's there, double-click the exe, go through the installation, and you're done. Your exe app runs inside real Windows, on your Mac. Third method, Parallels Desktop. This gives you the best performance and is super easy to set up. Head to parallels.com and download the free trial. Install Parallels and it'll automatically fetch Windows 11 for you. Just click Continue and wait for the setup to finish. Once you're in Windows, drag the exe file from your Mac to the desktop, or download it directly from a browser inside Windows. Now, double-click the exe, install it, and run the app like you would on a normal PC. That's it. Full performance, smooth integration, and great for heavier software. Bonus tip. Quick heads up. Avoid using outdated tools like Wineskin or shady exe websites. They often don't work on modern Mac OS and can cause security issues. Outro and recap. Let's recap. Crossover. Best for one-click exe installs UTM. Free full Windows experience Parallels. Fastest and most seamless for pro users. All 3 work on Mac OS Sequoia, Intel, and Apple Silicon. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy Mac tutorials. Drop a comment if you're stuck on a specific exe and I'll reply personally. See you in the next video.